Welcome to DelftStack. If you are getting the crossplay mismatch error in Valorant, this tutorial will show you a few quick ways to fix it. First, completely close Valorant and the Riot Client. Make sure the Riot Client is also closed from the system tray in the bottom right corner of your desktop. After that, relaunch the Riot Client. This helps trigger any pending updates that may not have installed correctly. Next, check for updates manually. Sometimes the Riot Client does not refresh automatically. To fix this, log out of your Riot account and then sign back in. Once you log back in, the client should search for the latest update and install it if available. If the issue still continues, restart your PC. A full restart can clear background Riot or Valorant processes that may be stuck and causing version mismatch problems. After restarting, open Valorant again and try joining your friends. In most cases, the crossplay mismatch error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.